Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Douglasville local and long-distance movers near me. We understand how interstate moving can be stressful. Thus, our Douglasville movers ensure that the transition to a new home is swift and worry-free. Our long-distance movers give you ultimate convenience, and our team will ensure that moving to your new home is exciting. We ensure we assist you in every stage of the moving process, from the planning, wrapping, packing, loading, unloading, relocating, and assembling of your belongings. We also help drop any assets you are not taking to your new home and pick new furniture to add to your new home. We have been moving people within the state, and our reputation is unquestionable. Our local Douglasville movers ensure that the transition to your new apartment or condo is swift. We ensure that your belongings are properly packed and wrapped to mitigate any breakages. When you need a professional Douglasville moving company for a local move, we're ready to help. At 3 Movers, we can complete your move much faster and more efficiently compared to other Douglasville moving companies. Our local movers team can pack and move you locally in 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Douglasville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.